So now I'm going to talk you about the artificial intelligence and their uses and are they good for the humanity. So let's begin our talk. So what do you mean by artificial intelligence or AI? An artificial intelligence is a set of program that helps the humanity and it analyzes all our data which is collected and given by us and a set of rules which under which it works. So some says that an artificial intelligence is an harmful thing. So to them that people I will answer that artificial intelligence is not harmful until it is programmed well and from the good idea. A machine does not know our feelings, our betterment, our fault, or our loss. It only knows that it have to work under some rules, some regulation, and it does on that rules and regulation. So, for example, if a good thing is created by a good person, or a program is created by a good person for not for his gain, not for his loss, and it will work good. The AI or the artificial intelligence will work good, but in place of that person, if a bad or an evil minded person programs something, then it is not a good thing for the humanity. It may take over over the control in its hand and can cause a big disaster to the humanity. Yeah, but if a virus attack or a malware attacks on the AI or it's being hacked, it is a very dangerous thing for the humanity or for the person which is controlled by or which is controlling the AI. So I would like to end my voice over here on the topic of AI. If you find the video good, please have a share so that people can also learn about the artificial intelligence. Thank you.